Good day everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be talking about body lotions. These are drugstore brands. I am going to share 5 different brands. I have 10 empty products here. These are all items that I have used up. I am able to decide which one I will recommend first and least. We'll talk about the brands in the order at which I recommend them. First brand is from Palmer's, and I've used up 2 of the body lotions. One is the olive butter formula with vitamin E, and this is what the packaging looks like. It says anti-aging peptide complex with extra virgin olive oil, and this is in 400 ml. It uses the certified organic extra virgin olive oil. It's got the unique lipid structure, moisturizes instantly, loaded with antioxidants to keep skin youthful, emulsifies on contact for superior skin smoothing. And I think why I like this is because it is anti-aging. It's got the anti-aging peptide complex. It helps increase skin's firmness and elasticity. Probably I like it more because it was really moisturizing, not necessarily because it's got the anti-aging peptide complex. But when I use this, I felt like my body is moisturized and it lasts for a while, and it's like creamy and it penetrates the skin. I've also used up the Shea butter formula with vitamin E, and this is what the packaging looks like. Nature's treatment for soft, radiant skin. Vitamin E enriched, made with natural shea butter. It's also very moisturizing. But between these two, I like the olive butter formula for a drugstore brand. I recommend that you try this one. Second brand is the Nivea. So Nivea is a German brand. It's a very affordable drugstore brand. I have used up 3 bottles, all in 250 ml. First one is the UV Protect. So it says helps to protect from effects of UV rays. Moisture Hydra IQ 24 hour plus. Okay. UVA, UVB filters. So this is the packaging, made in Thailand. I have a feeling I bought this in the Philippines. I've got 2 other Nivea brand. Nivea lotion, which is this is funny. It's a whitening cell repair protect body milk, 40 times vitamin C, camu camu and acerola cherry, strengthens the skin to reveal fairer skin tone. I've got 2 of these. I got this from the Philippines. I think at the time I bought this, I was still into like whitening, but I'm over that now. I don't think they work at all. I have used up 3 of the Nivea body lotions. Whether I recommend it or not, they're okay, but I think use Nivea body lotion and think of it as a moisturizing lotion, not because it's got this UVB protection or even to help lighten and whiten your skin. I think those claims are really hype. Otherwise, if you want just to use a moisturizing lotion, then go for it because of that reason. The next brand is from Dove. I have used up the Visible Beauty Nourishing Body Lotion, Revitalising Supreme Moisture for Visible Skin Improvement, Multi-Layer Complex, 250 ml. So I've used up a couple of these. Similar to all the other brands here, they help moisturize your skin, and so they are standard body lotion. But when I look at all the ingredients, the ingredient list is just, it doesn't excite me much because there are a lot of synthetic. Dove is a product from Unilever. They are an okay brand. Why I like Dove as a brand is because they've been doing a lot of beauty campaigns that really targets all women or all types of women, from white to dark. And I like that Dove has been producing advertising campaigns that is very universal. I like that Dove focuses on that. The next brand is from Vaseline, the Total Moisture Dry Skin 24-hour nourishing lotion for touchably soft, smooth skin. Okay, pure oats extract plus stratis, multi-layer moisture. So that's what the packaging looks like. I use this Vaseline during winter, the other brand that I'll talk about in a minute. I use 2 of this Total Moisture Dry Skin, it's 400 ml. Like the Vaseline is from Unilever. And here, look at the ingredients. There's a lot of parabens in here, and if you're moving to more natural product, definitely this is not it. It's an okay brand. Like if you want a more softer moisturized skin, especially during winter and you really have a very dry skin, this will do it. But with this ingredient list full of parabens, personally, I'm not going to purchase this again. That's kind of my review. Last product is from Garnier. It's the Garnier Body Intensive 7 Days Repairing Lotion with L-Bifidus. Long-lasting hydration felt for up to 7 days. Nourishing Shea Butter. Extra dry skin. Fast absorbing. This is what the packaging looks like. Garnier really does a lot of copies on just a bottle. I got this for use in winter. During winter, I'll have dry, flaky skin, and so I needed all this heavy-duty moisturizing body lotion. Yeah, and again, it has claims of 7 days repairing lotion powered by L-Bifidus. A hydrating anti-evaporation active. I don't know, inspired by probiotics found in yogurts. The L-Bifidus helps retain hydration. Whether that works, I don't think so. It definitely helps hydrate my very dry skin during winter. But whether I'll buy it again, the answer is no. I look at these ingredients and again, they are full of parabens. And I will not repurchase this again. I'd recommend them that you go use it and test it for yourself. They are all drugstore brands and hence they are not pricey. I'm just reviewing it. I personally, even if I'm on a budget, I won't repurchase this again. I am moving towards a more natural, organic way of moisturizing my body, and I also prefer using body oils now rather than the lotion. Yeah, and so that's it. Thank you all for watching. See you again next time. Cheers. Bye bye.